Hello, welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. In this video, I'm showing you that's actually possible to make money in one day. I mean, the same day, like today. Yes, to see real money coming to you in your name in the same day. If you listen to what I'm about to suggest and you are willing to learn, and like Wesley said, to learn and accept change in your life, because you have to make a few changes the way you spend your time. Okay, so you're going to make money in one day using a skill you already know, you could learn and teach, or a passion you already have, something you tend to do when you are not busy or when you're not working, or a challenge that you are going through or we went through. I'm about to give you examples. So that's how we're going to make the money, by using Skool. We're going to create a Skool community, the easiest money I've seen, because it can happen even starting today. If you're seeing for the very first time, my name is Sherifa Nakalema. I'm a business owner here in Virginia, USA. My story has been long. I'm 57 years old. It involves like going low. So I don't mean cleaning a house means you are low, but it means if you really went to school and have your education, like to be cleaning homes, that's something strange. So it happened to me, and I had to do it here in Virginia, USA. And slowly, I worked my way back up. And now I work from anywhere I choose, anytime I choose. I chose my home here. And I chose, like right now, I'm recording this very early in the morning. But that's my choice. That's my wish for you. My wish for you is that, number one, you make some money. You have some money, you feel good. Number two is you work with your family. You can be with your family as you work. Assuming that's what you want. You don't have to go to another country. You have to work 20 hours out of your home. You choose to work from anywhere you choose, and you can choose to be with your family. Number three, the other reason that I'm saying is important. I said poverty, have some money in your pocket, family separation, be with your family. The third one is do something you really love, you really care about. Not just go to a job because you have to make money, but work while you're smiling and money is flowing. Isn't that cool? Yes. So that's what we are doing. And how are we going to do it? We are going to do it by creating a Skool community. Skool. I'm wearing the shirt, but I think it's looking backwards. Skool. This is so important. Important, I mean, it solves so many problems. So in this video, I'm going to tell you something about Skool. I'm going to also tell you how you make money with Skool and what to do. How do you get started, right? You want to make money today, right? Okay. Number one, before I even get into that, it's really hard to make money online. Some people have bought courses and they've made them excited. They feel like they made the money, but I have not really actually seen the money. I know people who have YouTube channels and all that, but haven't seen a single dollar or dollar in your bank account. It has happened. You see them busy, but have not seen the money. But now with this one, by the way, it has happened to me. I didn't see the money, and then I got to see the money. But then the other issue is, it's hard to make it consistent, so that it comes all the time. The way you rent a house, and people, only sometimes when people move out or something, it could be, you may not have people sometimes, but when you have a house, you can rent it out, you're guaranteed some money, right? So that's the kind of money we want. Money that comes continuously, but also it comes while, as we're making it, we are smiling. I'm telling you, this is all in one. So what is Skool? Skool is an all-in-one platform. Think of it like Facebook groups or WhatsApp groups, like those groups. Only this time, in that community, you can process payments, you can send out email, you can send DMs, you can do everything that a business owner, online business owner, would need. Is all inside. It was started by a young man, Sam Oven, and later joined by Alex Omozi. And what they're doing is cool. I'm telling you, cool. So I found this actually a few months ago when I was on Instagram, when a young man was talking about, he said inviting, whatever he was teaching was interesting to me because I like business. And he said, join my community. So I went and joined. That's when I discovered this. And ever since then, I'm speaking, my voice is I can't speak much anymore because I'm so excited to share this, okay? So what you do, you create a community. And this can be about a passion. I give you examples of passion to make this video move faster. So I just put on the screen. Those are examples of passions. Or a skill, examples of skills. Or a challenge, examples of challenges. You can rewind this video to see this clearly. You can pause it and copy them down, but also can think of other ideas that fall in those categories. So it's a passion or a skill or a challenge. And we show you how to turn this into real money. Because what you do, you create a community and invite people who care about that same thing. Or if you're teaching, you teach them. Or like you have to be like that. It has to be similar things. The way people have Facebook groups, you can't go to a group if you don't care about the topic. So that's what it is. And the reason I say you can make money in one day, because let me show you what you need. This time I put them on list so that it's easier. Instead of I'm protecting my voice too. So this is what you need. As long as you have your phone and you have internet access, a laptop is bonus. You need that if you're going to do some Zoom meetings, because it could involve some Zoom meetings. But at the beginning, even if you don't have the laptop, it's fine. Or you could borrow a laptop. If you do Zoom like once a week, you could borrow a laptop. So don't make that stop you. Also, the English is going to be, as long as the English enough to sign up. Because what you do in your community, you can speak any language you choose. This is international, from anywhere you choose. I'm telling you. Yeah. So what you need is this list here, right here. A list of everything you need if you want the money in one day. Make sure you have all these that I'm listing. Yeah, pause it. If you need to pause it, write them down. Once you have those, connect with me. I have a link below in the description and in the pinned comment. Connect with me, because if you want to start the community yourself without any help, I'll put the link also for you to go straight. But I'm suggesting you connect with me because I'm going to make it easy for you. All you need is connect with me. You have to add your email to get my WhatsApp number, and then ask for a Zoom link. I'll put you on Zoom within the hour, or maybe less than an hour. I'm telling you, you're going to be seeing money coming to you. You'll be shocked. Yes, because we're going to sit down, name the community, connect it with the bank account, and we start making some money. People paying you. I know how I do that. I'll show you. Okay, so that's it. That's it. I'm telling you, if you are hungry, like Les Brown says, and you know you want to change your life, this is it. I've been online for 5 years. I've not seen something like this. Because everything else requires you to first learn. You have to learn and put and connect the funnel and the email list and all this. That's where people give up. They don't do it. And also those things require some money. You pay for the funnel, you pay for the email, you pay for all this. But this is all together. Anyway, I didn't mention the cost. It costs $99 to own a community, to run a community. But they give you two weeks free, which means you can start without any money. Remember I told you could collect money the same day? That means you're going to collect money as soon as you sign up. I show you how to start making the money. Soon you're going to have that $99 they're asking for before even the 2 weeks expire. We are go-getters. So if you believe you can be a go-getter, if you are not, come, connect with me. I'm going to turn you into a go-getter. As long as you do what I'm asking, I say God do this, you do it. You say that, what? This is easy money. Yes, the easiest. And you are now in business, okay? That's it. So again, you can make money. If you don't want to do it in the same day, you can do it the following day, but I'm saying it's possible the same day. You're going to choose a skill. If you don't have a skill, come connect with me. I'll suggest some ideas which skills you can learn. A step ahead, you teach some people. You learn like 3 steps ahead. You teach people the first 2 steps you finished. And you're in business. Every day you learn some more and come and teach. You learn some more, you come and teach. And you're in a community. People like to be, they like to find someone to trust, to show them something. And if you can be that person, I'm telling you, people are making money. I could give you a simple example of a young man who is showing people how to apply for their first job. You just went out of, especially high school here in America, and you say, I never applied for a job, I don't know what to do. All he's doing is preparing them just to put their things together to apply for a job and telling them how to present themselves on their interview. That's it. And he's making up to $10,000 a month just doing that. And people are begging him for help. He's too busy. This is possible. So please, connect with me. By the way, like the video. You know, I forget to ask you to like, subscribe, because I talk about making money all the time. Different ways, but this is the easiest. Please like it and check the description. Connect with me. Also, it's in the pinned comment. I'm Sheriff Anakari, Virginia, USA. Will you do it? Do it, do it, do it. And I do some motivation and I show you how to get to my community at a very low price. If you commit to do this, I have a community. I charge a little bit, not so low, but it'll be low for you. I'll give you a special. If I see that you're really going to change your life, that's my passion. Like I always end them, I say, take very good care of yourself. Take a very good care of your families. Take a very good care of your health. Come, let's do this. For me, I have a mission to take this to developing countries because they're not focusing on developing countries. So if you're connected to a developing country, especially if you're in Africa, please come connect with me. Let's do this to show them that you can also do it. Because mostly they are just white people right now. But there's few black people, but they're mostly white people. So come, it's not like they intended to discriminate. No, it's just, you know, when you know something, you tell your friend, but your friend happened to be like you. That's how it happens. Like I'm telling you, I'm assuming most of you are not white people. But even if you're white people, you are welcome. You are welcome, I mean, I share anyone who's interested. Thank you so much. You can work from home. This is halal money. You can work anytime you choose. So do it. Like I always end them, I say, take very good care of yourself. Take very good care of your families. Take very good care of your health. Without health, you can't do any of this. Like it, please. Share it with anyone in the whole wide world. If you don't want to do this, share it with anyone who can benefit, especially people who want to work from home, work from anywhere. Okay? Like, share, add a comment for me. Take a step to better you. See you in my WhatsApp. Okay? If you take action, I'll see you in my WhatsApp. Bye-bye.